my name is Mila and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing like an iridescent glittery look. This is the deal right here. Oh my god, I need to hide this, but I'll focus on that later. I totally did not glue my wig on me, so if it falls right now, hopefully it doesn't, I'll just edit that out, but if it does, I gotta go glue it after this video. Anyways, I created this super purpley glitter iridescent look going on, and I am all about it. I am all about it. I haven't done like a really pretty glitter look in such a long time, and honestly the person who inspired me is one of my girlfriends. Her name's Juvia. She's like, Mila, you need to do a glitter tutorial. Mila, you need to do a glitter tutorial. So I guess you can say this is also like a little quick snip of a glitter tutorial, not too in depth, but there is glitter on my eyeshadow. Anyways, if you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys do that before the video ends, please. And if you're not following me already on my other social medias, which is Snapchat and Instagram, make sure you guys do that after the video or right now. Give it a pause, I don't know. Whatever you guys feel like doing. But now let's get started with the video. Right now I just have moisturizer, my brows, and some concealer. Going in with my Rumer base by Plouise and a flat brush by Ofra Cosmetics. I'm just gonna go ahead and prep my lids. Ooh, my phone's going off. Gonna go ahead and apply this throughout my whole lid. My voice is a little scratchy this morning. I have no idea why. It's not like I was screaming anything last night. It's been so hot, so we've literally been sleeping with the AC on fucking blast, and then my man likes to have the fan on, and I'm like, bro, I'm only 120 pounds. I get cold really fast. So I'm thinking that's the reason why my throat's a little scratchy this morning. Hopefully it goes away throughout the day. So now I'm just patting it so it gets nice and tacky. With the clean brush, I am just gonna buff out the edges. That way everything is nice and smooth. We don't want it to look harsh. Obviously, we don't want anything looking harsh. Going in with Desert Dust palette by Huda Beauty. It makes me so sad, but when I purchased this, blazing was all fucked up. And that's such a pretty orange too. Here with my Morphe M441 brush, I am just gonna apply this all over, or all on top of my crease. Ha ha ha. Just blending it in circular motion. Packing on a little more product onto my brush. Building up the color to my liking. Cleaning my brush out with my cleaning pan by Ulta. Now I'm gonna dip my brush into Atheist, which is a purple shade. I am just applying that to my outer corner and then right on the crease. The orange and this purple are blending out so freaking pretty. I absolutely love messing with colors. Going in with the Nubian 2 palette by Julia's Place, I'm going to be using Jezebel. It's a darker shade of purple. Using a pointing blending brush, I'm just going to grab literally like the tip of it, and this shit has a lot of pigment, so we gotta grab a little bit. And I am just gonna focus that near the lash line, and then also apply that a little bit above the crease, just to make it a little bit darker, especially when we cut the crease. Going back with the purple shade, which is Amethyst in the Huda Beauty palette, I'm just gonna blend those two shades together with my Morphe M441 brush. We are about to cut this crease. I'm gonna go ahead and go back with Rumer using a liner brush by Morphe. This one is the M250/0 brush. The reason why I'm using a liner brush is because sometimes I feel for beginners, this is the easiest brush to actually cut your line. So I pretty much apply the product onto the little brush and then follow the crease. And that's it. See? And then you get your flat brush, this is over here, and then you start blending it. Yay, that was so easy. That's actually how I first started cutting my crease, because I felt like these flat brushes or any brush to cut the crease with, it was so difficult for me, so I just started to use a liner brush. And now that I feel like I'm good at cutting my crease, I can just go ahead and use a regular flat brush. I'm just kind of patting it, blending both the concealer and the purple shades together. I went ahead and mixed both the purples from the Huda Beauty palette and the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm just blending it right where the concealer is at. So everything looks like one, like 18 honey. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush a little. This is a flat brush by Vintage, going in with Twilight in the Huda Beauty palette. And I'm just gonna pat this onto my lid. Oh, such a pretty purple shimmery color. It's like a purple iridescent color. You see like blues and purples, a little bit of pink, super pretty. Time to add some glitter. I'm gonna go in with the Jcat. This one is, I don't know what color this is, to be honest. I got in LA, but it's by Jcat. But it's like super pretty. Focus, focus. Why are we focusing? There we go. Look at. Ooh. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna go in with my Ofra Cosmetics glue. Just dabbing a little bit. And then I'm gonna grab this pretty glitter. Tap out the excess because we don't want too much fallout going on. And now I'm just gonna apply that onto the lid. I don't have a specific technique for this. I just apply and I drag a little bit. If I had a super flat brush, I would be packing the glue, but since I don't have one, or since I'm not using one because I have one, I'm just too lazy to go grab it. I'm just doing some sliding motions. I'm already obsessed with this eye look. Like, it just looks like a lot of fun. Like, a lot of fun that we're gonna have tonight. Okay, I have some fallout, so I'm just going in with a clean brush and just dusting it all away. Or as much as I can, shit. I hate getting glitter on my lashes. Especially when I have to put mascara on. And then it gets all my mascara on. And then the next time I use that mascara, I apply and then there's fucking glitter on my lash again. I'm like, Jesus Christ. Going again with my pointed crease brush, I'm gonna use Net Theory from the Huda Beauty palette. Ooh, topping out the excess. And I'll apply that at the arch of the brow. Now with Celeste in the same palette, I am just gonna apply that to my inner corner. Okay, we're gonna finish the rest of the eyes after I apply my face makeup. I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Primerizer primer. And I'm just gonna apply that all throughout my cutout. Oh my god, I have glitter all over me. Ah! Oh god. The foundation I'm going to be using today is by Nars. It's the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation, and this shit is longwear, let me tell you, girlfriends. Using the Luxie 516 brush. No, but for real, this foundation lasted me for like 10 hours, no joke. Honestly bought this a while ago and I haven't even opened it, and the one day I saw, I was like, let me try this foundation. And sure enough, ever since I did that, I've been using it every single day. I love this foundation. Especially sometimes because I have such long hours at work. Like literally, I'm supposed to get off at 6:30 at night, and sometimes I don't leave till like 7:30. Or I'm supposed to get up at 2:30 and I end up leaving at 3:30. I like to make sure my makeup looks freaking bomb.com, and I never take my makeup to work. It's just a bad habit of mine. I just hate taking my makeup to work, so if something fucks up on my face, I'm just like fucked throughout the whole day and I'm pissed. So I usually try to prevent that. I always try to make sure that I leave my makeup looking on point. The concealer I'm going to go in with is by the LA Girl Pro Concealers. This one is in Yellow Corrector. I'm definitely not correcting. I just like the way this color highlights my skin. I was watching their Insta story, and there was this girl who was highlighting herself with this color, and she was like fair to my skin. So I was just like, dude, let me try that. And honestly, I absolutely love how it looks. It definitely highlights my face. It's the best. I tried this on my girlfriend and she's a bit on the fair side and it didn't look good. It may not work good for everybody. Yes, I have a sister. She is like a year and a half older than me. Me and my sister are actually very, very close. Obviously, we fought a lot when we were younger, but what sibling didn't? But me and my sister are honestly like this. Like, I see her all the time. She has beautiful children that I absolutely adore. I also have two older brothers. One has no kids, the other one has 3, and I absolutely love them all. I'm kind of behind because I only have one, but it's okay because Malachi, which is my son, he's 2, he is a handful and I cannot take him sometimes. He is too much. Using my Luxie 660 brush and some translucent powder by Mercier, I'm just gonna pat this anywhere that I feel like it's gonna crease, which is usually underneath my eyes, smile line, chin, and forehead. I don't think that shit moves at all. I just honestly focus underneath my eye and my smile line, but I always end up I always am doing this underneath my eye, smile line, chin, forehead. Why? Maybe just because that's where I highlight, but who knows, that's just how I do it. To contour, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Pro Concealer. Studio Pro Concealer. This shade is in 120, and honestly, you need the smallest amount, because if not, it's just going to be so hard to blend. It's so creamy, like, oh fuck, I feel like that's a lot. Usually, I just apply a couple drops into my forehead, blend it with the brush, and then I start contouring my skin, or my face, my skin. Well, that too, because it is my skin. Grab some more, go on the other side, grab a little more on my chin and my jawline. Adding some more into my face. Okay, now we're just gonna blend the heck out of this onto my hairline as well. Oh, the brush I'm using is an E8 by Morphe. So it is looking a little harsh, but when I add some bronzer, it's gonna look nicer, I swear. Going in with Americano bronzer by Ofra Cosmetics, and the brush is by BH Cosmetics number 3. Blending this onto the contour. I go ahead and bring it down my neck as well. That way my neck doesn't look too light. Maybe on the forehead. Every time I use the Americano bronzer, I always just go in with the Blissful highlight by Ofra Cosmetics. It's just easier for me because bronzer, highlight, bam, done. Now I am just working it onto my high cheekbones. Oh, work, 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 work. I like to do this with my finger. I feel like the color actually pays off when I do it with my finger. Only on my nose though. Got to get the temples, honey, the temples. Now it's time to finish the look. Using a packing brush, going in with Blazing in the Huda Beauty palette. This is the orange color, the one that broke on me. Just blending that onto my lower lash line. Now adding some purple. This is Amethyst in the Huda Beauty palette as well. I'm gonna add more purple onto the outer corner. Adding some mascara to my lashes. This is the mascara I got from BoxyCharm. What is it called? It's by Wander Beauty. It's called Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. I've been subscribed to BoxyCharm for about 2 years, and it's been 2 years since I've bought a mascara, because literally every time I run out of mascara, BoxyCharm always pulls through. So I literally have not bought any mascara in like 2 years. Applying some mascara to our lower lashes. Gotta be careful because we definitely don't want the mascara to run on our fucking eyeshadow. I really need to work on my cursing because I curse a little too much, and now my son's at the age where he's repeating everything that I'm saying. Luckily, he has not repeated a bad word that I have said, but he is at the stage where he's repeating everything that I'm saying, and oh, I just need to be more careful, to be honest. Alrighty, so I just put on my wig, put on my lashes, added some lipstick. The lipstick is in Cherish by MAC Cosmetics. And then this beautiful wig is by Donna Love. I feel like this wig in particular makes this freaking look like, I look like a sexy fairy. Anyways, I am absolutely obsessed with this makeup look. Like the glitter, honestly, it does everything. I did get some glitter on top. Oh, some glitter did transfer, and I think I just made it worse because I put it. Damn it! Oh well. If you guys love this magical glittery fairy look, go ahead and give it a like, please. And if you guys are subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go do that as well. Last thing, if we aren't friends on social media, let's be friends. Yeah? Hope you guys have a good rest of the day. I'll be seeing you guys next time. Bye!